Hello, good evening, Dan. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, Dan. It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
Uh, I'm good.
You're good. Wow. How was your weekday? Oh, wait. How was your weekday? How was your weekday? Or
Mm,
what are the things that you did last Monday, Tuesday, up to Friday? What are the things? Did you go to school last weekdays?
I um, I go to study English.
Oh, on Mondays, Tuesdays?
Friday.
Oh, on Fridays you study English. Oh, where do you go to study English on Fridays? Is it also online or face to face?
5 to 5.
Ah, face to face at your school?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you also study English at school. Wow, that's very good. So now, are you ready to review the words that we had learned last Sunday?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay. So we have here a set of questions and they have multiple choices. So you will answer based on what we had learned or the words that we had learned last time. So let's have our first question. So, can you read the first question?
My reading books and listening to music.
Okay, so let's have the choices. Okay, so can you also read the choices?
My hobbies are reading books and listening to music.
Okay, very good. So the answer here is, oh, boy, yeah, the answer is hobbies. So hobbies, so when we say hobbies, as we can say, so it is something that we do regularly for fun. So in this sentence, the word hobbies is used, or for this sentence, what are the hobbies of the person in this sentence?
Um, my hobbies are listening to music
Oh, your
and
hobby.
playing badminton.
Oh, very good. Good job. So that are your hobbies. How about in the sentence? What is the person's hobbies in the sentence? What are the hobbies of the person? It is
Reading book and
reading.
listening to music.
Okay, very good. So that is, or that are or these are the hobbies of the person that is being discussed in the sentence. So good job. So this is hobbies. So next question. Can you read the sentence?
Sometimes with my friends at the park, we like playing badminton and basketball.
Okay. So now, what do you think is the missing word or the missing word here? Or what do you think is the answer?
Sometimes I play sports with my friends at the park. We like playing badminton and basketball.
Okay, wow, very good. So our answer here is play sports because as we can see in this sentence, so badminton and basketball is being said. So with that being said, so playing sports, when we say play sports, it is the things that we play physically, such as badminton, basketball, football, volleyball. So that is play sports. So the sports here are, what are the sports here in the sentence? Sport
Uh,
is?
Badminton and basketball.
Okay, very good. So badminton and basketball. So next sentence. Okay, can you please read?
In my in I like hanging out with my friends.
Okay, very good. So what do you think is the answer or the missing words in this sentence?
In my free time, I like hanging out with my friends.
Okay, so let's check if your answer is correct. So let me just click. Okay, very good. So the answer here is free time. So when we say free time, so do you still remember what is free time?
In my free time, I um, go shopping with my friend.
Okay, wow, very good. So when we say free time, it is the things that we do after school, after work, or it is the time that we can do whatever we want to do. For example, you like to go shopping when you have free time. So very good. So good job. So how about in this sentence? What is the person likes to do on his or her free time?
Um, Hanging out with my friend.
Very good. So this person likes hanging out with his or her friends. So very
Okay.
good. So next. Okay, can you read?
Every evening, I often with my friends. We can enjoy the drinks and catch up with each other.
Okay. So what do you think is the missing words here?
Um, every uh, every every evening, I often go out for a coffee with my friends. We can enjoy the drinks and catch up with each other.
Okay, very good. So good job. So the answer here is letter, what letter? Letter D. So go out for a coffee because as we can see in the sentence here, so enjoy the drinks. So we can see drinks, the word drinks here because when we go out for a coffee, so we usually order drinks. So a coffee shop is one of the bonding places that most people or friends go to. So to catch up with each other. So go out for a coffee. So for this one, can you read this one again? This word.
Often, often,
Okay, very good. It's often, not often. So it is silent. It is silent T. So often. So when you read that one, so you disregard the letter T. So often. And this one is other. Each
or
other. Okay, one more time. Let's say other.
other,
Other. Very
or
good. Very good. Good job. So other. So next. So very good for this sentence. So let's go with the next sentence.
my wife twice a week. She spends a lot of money on her clothes and beauty products.
Okay. What do you think is the missing words?
My wife goes shopping twice a week.
Okay.
She spends a lot money on her clothes and beauty products.
Okay. Very good. So the answer is letter D, which is go shopping. Because when we say go shopping, it is the time that we go to the mall to buy things. So in this sentence, the husband said that her wife or his wife likes to spend a lot of money to buy clothes and beauty products. So the thing is, or the what the wife is doing in this sentence is going shopping or go to the mall to shop. So very good. So good job. So next, can you read the sentence? Can you see the sentence? Whenever.
Where, whenever I'm in bad mood, I like rock and roll songs and that can boost my mood if, um,
Effectively.
effectively.
Okay, very good. Good job. So what do you think is the missing words here?
Uh, uh, wherever I'm in bad mood, I like listening to music. Rock and roll songs can boost my mood effectively.
Okay, very good. So for the answer here, it is listening to music because as we can see in this sentence, so it is discussed that the a person in the sentence is listening to rock and roll songs. So it is mentioned that there are songs. So when we say listening to music, so we listen to songs. And especially you, when it is your free time or when you have free time or you do or your hobbies are listening to music or to songs. Um, have you mentioned before that you like rock and roll or rock music? Or what kind
Mm,
of music you listen to?
uh,
Is it
rock.
like rock music? Oh, rock
Mm,
music. Rock music, but in Vietnam? Vietnam rock music?
yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay. So very good. So listening to music is the answer here. How about this one?
It's a good hobby. It's help people gain health knowledge and open their minds.
Okay. So what do you think is the missing word here?
Um, read books is a good hobby. It's help people gain a health knowledge and open their minds.
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. So read books. Okay, yes. So very good. So read books is the answer or the good hobby that is being discussed in this sentence. So now, let's take a look at this word, this one. Uh, this one
Hunt,
is huge.
huge,
Huge. Yes. So it is read as huge. Okay, one more time. What is this word? Hu-
huge
Very good. Huge. This one is knowledge.
knowledge,
Okay, perfect. Can you read these two words again?
huge knowledge.
Okay, perfect. Very good. So as we can see in this sentence, the answer is read books. Especially when we read books, so we learn a lot of things. We gain a huge knowledge and open our minds with the things that we need to know, especially about the world or about some stories. So when you read books, Dan, do you learn something when you read books? When you are
Or learn
reading books?
something. Um, uh, teacher again.
When you read books, do you learn something, or what are the things that you learn when reading books? Any books?
I learn, um, uh, I learn horror book.
Oh, you learn horror books. When reading horror books, do you learn some new words? Some new words that you don't.
That in doing something,
Okay, very good. So when we say like doing something, so it is when we have the interest to do something, especially in this a sentence. We have here an example of a sentence. So can you read this first sentence?
I like playing sports.
Very good. So it means that the person in the sentence, so he or she is interested in playing sports. However, can you read the second sentence?
I don't like swimming.
Okay, so this means that the second person or the second sentence in the second person in the second sentence, so he or she is not interested in swimming. So like, so we use this I like, I don't like. So I like, so we use this phrase when we enjoy or feel happy doing something. However, when we say I don't like, so we use this if we don't enjoy or feel unhappy doing something. I have a question for you about this. So, what do you like to do, Adan?
I like swimming, listening to music,
Okay.
watching TV.
Oh, okay. I like swimming, listening to music, and watching TV. How about the things that you don't like?
I don't like playing games.
Oh, you don't like playing games? Oh, that's good that you don't like playing games because being addicted to playing games is a bad thing. So that's very good that playing games is not one of your hobbies. So good job. So that is how we use the phrase like doing something. So we use I like if we like or enjoy something or doing something. I don't like if we don't enjoy doing something. Okay, so next, let's go with our second phrase.
Reduce stress.
Okay, very good. So when we say reduce stress, it means to make stress smaller or less. So for example, can you read the sentence example here?
Traveling really helps me reduce stress.
Okay, very good. So in this sentence, so the person means that traveling for this person in the sentence, traveling is one of the things that he or she does to reduce stress. So how about you, Dan? What are the things that you do to reduce your stress or to lessen the stress, especially at school when you're stressed at school? What are the things that you do?
Um,
Do you go shopping to reduce stress?
uh, I I go I hang out. I go hang out with my friends. Uh,
Do?
help do reduce stress.
Okay, very good. So that is how we use or reduce stress. So when we say reduce stress, it is the things that we do for us to lessen the stress that we have. especially at school when it is examination month. So the stress is really high. So one of the example that you do to reduce your stress is to go out with your friends. So that is how you use this phrase, reduce stress. Okay. So how about listening to music? Can listening to music reduce your stress also?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So very good. So listening to music can reduce stress. Okay, so that is reducing stress. Okay, so next, so let's have the reading and discussion. So can you please read about the Jane talks about her hobbies? So can you read the story of Jane here?
Train talks about her hobbies. I have many hobbies. I love reading. I often spend my free time reading books and newspapers. I often read books about business. They are very interesting and useful. Reading really helps me improve my knowledge.
Knowledge. O-
knowledge.
Okay, very good.
At the weekend or on holiday, I like to travel. I love going to mountainous regions, or go into the beach. I can make talk and make friends with many new people. I also have chance to eat delicious foods. Traveling helps me reduce stress after tiring working days. I am also very interested in playing sports. I play many kinds of sports such as football, swimming, and table tennis. I most like playing football. Now I am very busy with my work, but I play football twice a week. When playing football, I can forget uh, tired,
Tiredness.
tiredness and stress in my life.
Okay, very good. So good job. So Dan, for this one, so we will continue this reading and discussion, especially these questions in our next class. Okay, since it is already our time. So I do apologize earlier because my internet connection got off. Okay. So I will see you again soon, Dan. So I hope that you review this story for so that we can answer the questions in our next class. Okay. So next Sunday. Okay, Dan. Okay, so see you again on next Sunday, Dan. And thank you very much for today's lesson. Good job. Bye
Okay.
bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.